Jai Shri Krishna. Hello.
Hi,
Hi,
hi
sir.
Pragya, hi Mridu. Jai Shri
It's
Krishna.
great to have you on our chit chat session. So we'll just start with a quick introduction of yours.
Sure.
Ms. Sri Shashank Mandrapu is a chartered accountant, cleared in 2013. He is also a co-founder of Good Clap. Good Clap is a crowdfunding, uh, online crowdfunding platform. Yeah, and he's also in partner with ISB, ACFM, Chirag, and other institutions too. So we have a very young entrepreneur with us. So, so thank you so much for always having a positive sway for all exactly very connected to you. Yeah, you always have a positive way of talking to us and motivating us for whatever we do. It's great to have somebody like you with us. So we basically like to
No,
give
in
our
in
viewers
fact, uh, in fact, in fact, the kind of work both of you do at such a young age inspires and in fact sometimes makes people like me feel bad that we are not doing enough. So I
no
must
way. No,
honestly
sir.
confess that you people are an inspiration to so many more entrepreneurs out there. I must
Thank
confess
you
that.
so much, sir.
Yeah, good, great work, both of you. Great work.
Thank you so much. Sir. So, to start off, we'd like our viewers to know about academics, the professional career, your academics, your professional career, and all the entrepreneurship things you've done. So the youth needs to understand the best possible way and apply it to their strengths. So the
Sure,
first
sure.
question, what is the main difference you felt by being, I mean, from a chartered accountant to to what you are right now?
Okay, okay, that's a very interesting question. And in fact, I always keep saying, especially nowadays, that chartered accountant is far more easier than being an entrepreneur. People usually keep saying, "Oh my God, you've done such a tough course, and you were able to finish chartered accountancy." Yes, CA was fairly challenging. I wouldn't say no to that. However, however, entrepreneurship is completely a different ball game. In CA, it is all your books, your exam. You have so much in your control. Hard work, whether you want to work hard or not, is again your choice. So it was completely within my control, my circle of control. However, however, entrepreneurship is more in terms of my circle of influence.
Right.
Where will the market like the product or the service I offer? Will I be able to motivate my team for the cause which I started towards?
Right.
Everything. And will I be able to work on things? For example, Good Clap requires a lot of technology. It's a
Huh.
tech platform, and being a chartered accountant, I do not know how to code. So
Right.
there are dependencies. Suddenly, when CA was very myself kind of a thing. However, coming out of chartered accountancy, it was so there were so many dependencies: market dependency, team dependency, consultancy dependency,
Right.
and to work with so many factors out of your control is definitely a new challenge. So I see these two things. Circle
Okay.
of control and maybe circle of influence
Huh.
as two
Makes
two
sense.
different
Yeah.
things, when I compare both of these aspects.
But then again, the thrill isn't in CA than to be an entrepreneurship. To have your own thing going.
No, honestly, I mean, yeah, I'm currently living in the present, so entrepreneurship looks good. But CA also was fascinating, I would say. CA also was absolutely fascinating. I can't see you.
Yeah.
I see you flipped.
Okay. Is this better?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, this is better.
So, sir, I think there's some problem with this. When we can see each other properly, the viewers can't see it properly. So, I think we'll have to swap the screen.
Okay.
I mean, put it in portrait. That's okay.
I will try doing that. I will just try doing it because I'm not sure
Okay.
if is this better.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm just trying to manage. Yeah.
Thank you. To all the viewers, we have a question. Can you view us perfectly right now? I don't know. I think it's fine. I guess it's fine now. So to the second question, what is the difference at workplace
Right.
when you are a chartered accountant or you are when you work in the entrepreneurship firm? Like if suppose we lost a video.
Is it better now? Can you see
Yeah.
me?
Yeah. So I'll just ask my question again. So we met because of my
Sure, sure.
crowdfunding. We met because of my crowdfunding event that I wanted to do with Good Clap. So could you tell us a little more about Good
Right.
Clap and how it started working and why you thought of something like Good Clap should come into existence?
Sure. In fact, you were asking me some other question prior
No,
to this. You were asking the
I just
difference
mixed
between
one more
the
question.
work.
That is the previous question.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. So I think I'll just explain to the viewers what Good
Huh.
Clap does. Is that what you want me to
Right.
explain?
Yes.
Sure, sure. So after being a chartered accountant, I started working with my father. He runs an HR consultancy firm. And ever since I joined him, both of us, and in fact the entire team at this company called HR Footprints, all of
Mm-hmm.
us have been extremely passionate about building a product which can serve the Indian population at a very large scale. So that was
Hmm.
one of our big aspirations we've had always. But at the same
Right.
time, along with an application which can have a lot of scale, we also wanted an application to create a lot of impact. So
Hmm.
with these two combinations, when we were mulling over various ideas of what should we be doing next, suddenly I've come across a video. I've come across a video on YouTube where
Huh.
there was a footballer. There was a footballer in the streets of some European country. He was just
Right.
doing all the tricks. He was dribbling, and suddenly there were a lot of people who surrounded this particular footballer.
Huh.
And then they started viewing in hundreds and thousands. It was all happening in the center of the street, at the center of the
Huh.
street. And this was again posted on YouTube by someone.
Hmm.
And I was also so fascinated, I continued to watch and also started to read some of the comments. And
Hmm.
people started commenting saying, this guy is the next Messi of the world, he's the next Ronaldo. Oh my
Huh.
God, such a talent. So I was so happy for him. I was so happy for him. However, at the conclusion of the video, I've seen people, whoever have gathered there physically, they were just throwing coins at him as an appreciation.
Mm-hmm.
And for him, that was his sustenance. Probably he went back, bought a bread with that money, slept, and woke up again next morning to perform another art in the same street.
Right.
That was when it struck me. Why cannot someone who has so much talent have something more sustainable?
Mm-hmm.
Why cannot he have a means where there is a better way of earning for himself?
Mm-hmm.
So when we started building on this feeling of ours,
Right.
we discovered that there is something called as crowdfunding. And crowdfunding is where a lot of people come together and give a small amount each to
Yeah.
make a social project or a creative project possible.
Hmm.
And they bring that to life. So that's what crowdfunding is. And I thought maybe we should start making difference to lives of such talented people. And that's how we started developing this idea. And we
Uh-huh.
started thinking that there could be a lot of stray dogs which need help. There could be a
Huh.
lot of orphans who
Huh.
need support with their education. There could be a lot of cancer patients who are undergoing treatment. So crowdfunding, we just started discovering that this has much more potential, and if at all we can start a website where people can host and post their crowdfunding project, be it a creative project or be it a social project, and where like-minded people who believe that these people need the required backing to make the project a reality come to the website, and then they make their little contribution. However, those little contributions put together becomes a massive sum, and the social project or the creative project really comes to life. And that can be a small thing for each one of us, but it can be a world of difference to the person who receives this support.
Right. So how do you manage to market all of this? Market Good Clap.
Market Good Clap. Oh my God, that was a big challenge. That was a big challenge because in startups there is this very commonly used word called the chicken and egg problem.
Right.
So the chicken and egg problem for Good Clap was, should we first get a social cause and then showcase it to donors, or should we first get few donors who are ready to fund a cause and then reach out to people asking, do you have a cause? Which one should we do first? Was the biggest marketing challenge. But then we realized that someone who comes with a cause has a stronger gravitational force to pull a donor to come and contribute.
Right.
So we first started writing and reaching out to people who had causes. So the first project we've had was a music album. In fact, it was not a social cause. So there was a band called Indosoul. They wanted to make a Carnatic album, a fusion album. So they've used our website services, the platform, to raise close to 3 lakh rupees. They've raised 3 lakh rupees and they made this thing a reality. And their music album was released 6 months after it got crowdfunded on Good Clap. So we understood that these people had certain fans who always wanted the band to make a music album. So when they came out and announced that we are crowdfunding for our next project, all these fans have come forward. And then they started supporting this band. And using the tools we have on our platform, the sharing tools, etc., they started marketing. Each one of the contributor, in fact, became a marketer for this crowdfunding campaign.
Okay, that's really good.
So that's how we designed the platform where you first contribute, then in a way you believe in a project, so you start marketing the project. And similarly, the first social cause we've had. Yes, yeah. Carry on.
Sorry?
Go ahead, Pragya.
Okay. So we can't see you. That's
why. 1 second. Can you see me now?
No. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good now.
Okay. Sure.
So your motto, that is think good, feel good, for the youth. What do you want to convey from this, like, to the youth? What is your direct message that you actually want to give to the youth with this motto of yours?
Okay, so first of all, I'm not a very big personality to give a message. So I'm not sure if I'm capable of giving messages. But what I really feel is each one of us who really wants to see certain things certain way, I think the youth especially, we are of the age where we can do more than speaking. We can actually act on what we feel. We are not 80 years old or 90 years old where we can't walk and we just make statements. I think we are not that category. If the power of youth is they have ideas, and more importantly, they have the power to execute the ideas.
Right.
And we strongly believe this at Good Clap. So what we have done is we said, our responsibility, because we are in the social space, our responsibility is to instill the feeling of wanting to do good.
Mm-hmm.
At the same time, also create the means to do good.
Okay. Okay.
So that's our whole mission, where we want people to believe that yes, we can do good. At the same time, we also want to give people a direction on how to do good. So we are saying you should feel good and do good. And if you want to feel good, please contact us. We'll let you know what all we can do together. And if you really want to do good, again, let's get in touch. Let's collaborate and let's
Right.
do something and change the world in whichever little way we can.
So, what
Yeah.
was one of your best times that you had witnessed during your journey with Good Club? What was that one particular best memory you have, if you have
That
any?
I mean, I suddenly blacked out. I have too many memories. Too
You
many
can share
memories.
any one of them.
I could share one of them. Sure. I think one very, very good memory we've had very recently was the kind of work we've done during the COVID relief, for the
Huh.
COVID relief efforts. The entire team, the way we worked, has been extremely memorable, and always feel proud of the efforts we've put in. In a short span of 45 days, we were able to facilitate fundraising of close to 35 lakhs on the platform,
Wow.
and we were able to donate 500 plus PPE kits, 25,000 face masks, more than 30,000 meals were served, and a lot of NGOs have received direct monetary benefit, who again went on to do a lot of social good.
Wow.
All
That's
that we
amazing.
were able to do, all that we were able to do in a span of 45 days, and we are not a huge team. We worked hard, but we worked with our hearts. So
That's
that's
so
why
nice.
I
So
feel we
beautiful.
could do. But I must also really take this opportunity to thank all the people who believed that we are doing some really good work, and people who chose to do good. People felt good. People always wanted to do good when COVID has come. But for them to choose Good Clap, saying these are our trusted partners, and we
Hmm.
believe these guys really work for social good. And for them to come and use our platform was a big thing to us. So we've taken
Hmm.
that very seriously, and we ensured some benefit definitely goes back to the society, and this is what we could do.
Got
And I really feel very fond. This is a very fond memory when I look back. It's a very recent memory also.
Yeah, that's very
Yeah.
nice.
So, what about any other challenges other than marketing that you faced?
Other than marketing,
Yeah.
the biggest challenge Good Clap continues to face, and I'm sure we always need to protect. One specific thing is the trust factor.
Huh.
The trust factor is
Huh.
the biggest challenge we have to work on. We always do that. But whenever, because crowdfunding involves
Hmm.
giving money, a lot of people have a lot of questions.
Right.
Will this money go to the right cause?
Mm-hmm.
How will I be sure that money is not retained by Good Club, but it actually goes to the beneficiary?
Yeah.
There are multiple questions. So the way we are trying to address this is, first of all, we have a very, very stringent verification process on our website.
Hmm.
No campaign goes live without a verification by Good Clap team. So you cannot automatically start a crowdfunding campaign.
Mm-hmm.
It will only go live once we verify and we personally have checked few things. The
Okay.
second thing, the way we have designed our website is, as soon as anyone makes a contribution, instantaneously they can see their name, the amount they contributed, and the funding meter. We have a funding meter and it moves without any manual intervention, so it is absolutely transparent. And the last
Okay.
thing, what we do is, as soon as the project is over, for most of the projects, for 90-95% projects, we ensure that an update is released back to all the contributors, explaining them how the money has been used. So that
Oh.
closes the communication loop, because a lot of people take money and do not tell what has happened with it. We try our best to communicate back to each donor saying this is for what you have contributed and your money has in fact been put to use. And if it's for health, the patient has recovered, or if it's for education, look at the report card, or if it is for the construction of a park, then look at some of the photographs. So that's how we ensure people trust us. So this is a 3-step cycle we follow: verification, tech transparency, and updating back. So, but still there is this constant challenge of these questions, and I think we continue to work on this very carefully. It's very important for us.
Yeah, makes sense. I mean, anyone else, like at
As
least
an
from our
individual,
side, like if we want to donate money from Good Club or any sort of crowdfunding, online crowdfunding program,
we will have 1/3 की पैसे सही जगह तो जाएंगे. I won't be able
it'd be like
Absolutely.
300 rupees will give from this account, from that account. So maybe at least from one page we can at least make a change, because we don't know who to trust. So I think what
No,
you
absolutely.
great
So
idea.
being a trusted partner.
Yeah.
Thank you.
To all the viewers, they're open for questions. Please,
If you have any questions, you can ask us.
yeah.
So one last question from our side is,
Sure.
how do you find our work and the team that we have working towards sustainability? How do
Few
you?
words for us.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I think I started with the same thing today,
Yeah.
few minutes back. I think you have always inspired me personally. Whenever I felt on days when I haven't done sufficient work, I always looked at few people who around me who have been doing a lot of work. And you guys are one among those people who I look up to, and that's how I draw my inspiration saying, when someone who probably do not have all the resources in the world to do the best, but they still are the best they can be, and which means even I can probably be something more than what I am today. So there is nothing I should be restricted to. There are no constraints. So that's what I feel whenever I look at your work. And the most favorite part of your work for me is sustainability. The word sustainability is in fact what we write most of the places about what Good Clap does is we want to create a platform which can sustain people's lives and make the lives of less fortunate more happy and easy. So we also chose to use the word sustenance. And in fact, I'm sure the UN SDGs, the Sustainable Development Goals. So the world is talking about sustainability. And when you people are also latching on to creating sustainability, especially in the eco space, I think that's fantastic. And you are a big contributors to our future,
Thank you
a green
so much.
future.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
so proud of you and
One question
all the best.
from Mahanand.
Sure.
He asked about
Sure.
what about anonymous contributions?
Absolutely. So when you're making a contribution, you can choose to be anonymous.
Yeah.
So we protect your identity, but still your donation appears on the platform as anonymous. So there are people who want to just do good, but they do not want to even reveal their names. That's how they choose to be. We respect their view. So we created a feature where they can tick on a box called Be Anonymous. And as soon as someone say contributes 5,000 rupees, and if they choose to be anonymous, it says anonymous donated 5,000 rupees.
So that
So you can
the anonymous person gets the mail that after the completion of the whole
Yes.
social work, he gets the mail ki your work has been done in this way.
So the anonymity is only to the campaigner and for the public.
Okay.
Good Clap system still captures your phone number. We still capture your email ID because it is so important for us to update you back about what happened with your contribution. So we must capture your email ID. So you can stay anonymous, but Good Clap and you will have an interaction with the updates part. That's how we chose
There's
to build
one
this.
more question about the social entrepreneurship program for the youth that you have initiated. Could you let us know a little more about it, as we are already being a part of it?
I know that. So this is a very, very exciting program we have launched. We launched about 10 days or 12 days back.
Yeah.
We have about 250 people, individuals who registered for this program, and we are expecting at least 50 or 100 more to register in the next 1 week.
Wow.
And we are launching this program on 15th of August.
Okay.
What this program is intended for is we want each and every individual who feels responsible for the society to wear the hat of an entrepreneur, think like an entrepreneur, and act like an entrepreneur, where during this program we help them discover what their real social purpose is.
Okay.
And then they pick a live project, and then they start working on the project and create real social impact within this time frame of 30 days. And while they do that, they learn essential skills for their future, like what is entrepreneurship, how can I be a leader, how can I influence people, how should I communicate with people. All that will become a part of this program, but we are not trying to preach or teach a lot here. They will learn by doing things. So we call this a very experiential learning program, the social entrepreneurship program. So that's how we have designed.
Any qualifications for this?
No, we are open to anyone from the age 12 onwards.
Okay.
12 plus years, we are happy to have them enrolled onto the program.
That's really nice.
So no qualifications required. Hopefully, finishing the course becomes a qualification for the future.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
So
Any further questions?
No, sir. Thank you so much for being a part of our chit chat session and letting us know what Good Clap is, what your thought about the society is, and why you want to get a change. It's been great to have you on board with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you,
inviting me. You're doing great work. Continue to do.
Thank you.
All the best.
Stay safe. Goodbye. Jai Shri Krishna, sir.
Jai Krishna. Goodbye.
It was a pleasure having you.
Same here. Yeah.